Today my mummy is making a tasty rice for the kids. We love this rice, it's so tasty. First we need to add onions. Fry until brown color. Then add 2 spoons ginger garlic paste. After 2 minutes, we can add some tomatoes. 2 tomatoes. Then cook well. Then add some peas and mushrooms and carrots. Then mix it all together. Add 1 teaspoon garam masala and 1 teaspoon of salt. For this rice, we are not adding chili because it's for the kids. If you had fresh boneless fish or tin tuna, you can add one of them in. Then add rice. Mix well, then add 3 cups of water. Now you can check the salt, and if you need it, you can add more. Cook with medium flame. After 20 minutes, the rice is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.